Today, we review the best DJ controllers that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Pioneer DJ 402 Channel Controller. For beginning DJs, Pioneer DJ 402 Channel Controller Record Box is a great controller to start with. Packed with basic features you can easily learn and practice, this gear is compatible with most computers.
Number 2.
Numark Mixtrack Platinum. For aspiring DJs, Numark Mixtrack Platinum comes with a lot of features you can maximize for great performance. This controller has multiple FX manipulation, 16 performance pads.
Number 3.
Numark NVI DJ Controller for Serato DJ. Every professional DJ needs a great controller like the Numark NVI DJ controller for Serato DJ. It's one of the few DJ controllers with dual screen controller and integrated display screens, so you won't be focusing on the computer.
Number 4.
Native Instruments Tractor Control S2 MK3 DJ Controller. Any DJing style has a more suitable DJ controller that you can use. But if you're not sure of your style yet, you may start crafting your own style with the Native Instruments Tractor Control S2 MK3 DJ Controller.
Number 5.
Numark NS6ii 4-channel Premium DJ Controller. If you think the 4-channel NS6 needs some improvement for you to master your DJing, Numark has the same sentiment as well. So, the maker gives you the new Numark NS6ii 4-channel Premium DJ Controller packed with features you deserve.